Hi guys, today I'm making a very traditional food. If you're a lover of native food, African delicacy, you have to save this recipe and try it. And if you have Udogwu in your house, you need to try this recipe for him too. Today I'm going to be making a very special plantain porridge. For this recipe, I'm using a half-ripe plantain and unripe plantain, but if you have only unripe plantain, I think that is the best, okay? So I will go ahead and peel the plantain, slice it into tiny pieces and transfer into the pot. As you can see here right now, I already sliced it. And I'm going to put some water. Be careful not to add too much water because we're making porridge. We want it to be porridge. So add a little water and put it on fire. But then because it's a special delicacy today, I'm using opaka, dried opaka or uba, whatever it is called in your dialects, but we'll call it opaka. So I add opaka, allow it to boil, then now open the pot, add the onions, the palm oil, the dry pepper. Turn, and cover it and allow everything to cook very well. This opaka is so delicious. Oh my god. I always find myself eating it. I don't know why, because it's so sweet. Now the plantain is cooked soft, I'll go ahead and add crayfish. Yes, I'm adding a lot of crayfish. It is intentional because I want the crayfish taste in this food. I want the taste of crayfish to be quite bold. Okay, don't forget to add your salt or add salt to taste, which I didn't show in this food. So I go ahead and prepare my vegetable. Here I use spinach. Prepare, wash, slice, add to pot and lower my heat, stir. Just allow the vegetable to simmer for a few seconds on a very low heat. And now, oh my god, look at this. This tastes so good. Adding uba or ubaka to porridge gives it a different level of yumminess, and it's also a good source of protein. So that means inside this pot is a nutrient dense food. I bet you will try this recipe. So this is me dishing out my food. It's time to enjoy my handwork. Oh yes, come and eat. Food is ready. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, follow my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.